Natapos man ang kampanya sa Philippine Women's Open, handang mag-bounce back si Pinay tennis ace and Women's World number 49 Alex Ayala. Focus naman siya ngayon sa upcoming WTA Tour sa Dubai. Yan ang agenda report ni Sheila Salaysay.
Hindi ranking ang nagpapanalo kundi kung sino ang handa sa mas malaking entablado. Sa puno at nag-aalab na energy sa Rizal Memorial Tennis Center, ramdam ang suporta para kay Alex Ayala. Home crowd, home court, home pressure. Pero sa dulo, isang kalmadong Camila Osorio ang nagdikta ng laban. Sa quarterfinals ng inaugural WTA 125 Philippine Women's Open, tinalo ng Colombian world number 84 ang world number 49 na si Ayala, 6-4, 6-4. Muling patunay na hindi batayan ang ranking kapag dumating ang big moments.
Playing in front of crowds like this that are passionate and that support you makes losses. It's a double-sided sword, I think. You know, on one end it does cushion the blow because you know that they're there for you and they support. On the other hand, it hurts a little more and it's a little harder to accept because you know you want to do the best for them. But yeah, I think I gave it my all today and there were no regrets.
Umabante pa si Ayala sa second set, 3-2. Pero mas naging composed at naka-execute si Osorio at tuluyang tinapos ang campaign ng Pinay sa Maynila.
For me personally, it's not always the same for each loss the way I cope. And I think a part of this journey is learning to be self-aware in terms of knowing what I need to do to kind of step back and regroup.
Mula naman sa WTA 125, aangat ang spotlight sa isa sa pinakamalaking torneo sa women's tennis, ang Mubadala Dubai Open, isang WTA 1000 event sa outdoor hard courts. Malalaking ranking points at career-defining matches ang nakataya. At dito nasusukat ang elite. Kumpirmado na bibigyan ng wildcard si Ayala para sa main draw ng Mubadala Abu Dhabi Open 2026 na nagdulot ng excitement sa mga tagahanga sa Pilipinas at UAE. Kasama sa draw ang rising stars tulad ni Janice Chen ng Singapore at Qin Weizheng ng China, mga manlalarong handang patunayan ang Southeast Asia ay seryosong puwersa sa world tennis.
So proud to be, you know, that to be in that kind of group of girls who are really lifting up the sport in our region. I think the level is really there, as you can see, for young women in the main draw of Australia this year from Southeast Asia. I think it creates a really good atmosphere, and I think it can only do good things for the sport.
Ngayong 2026, aabangan ang laban niya sa top-ranked player sa WTA Tour sa Abu Dhabi. Inaasahang lalaro siya sa first round sa February 1 o February 2, depende sa opisyal na draw ceremony sa January 31. Para sa agenda, Sheila Salaysay, Billionaire News Channel.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Billionaire News Channel, sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga eksklusibong balita at storya.